Hello everyone and welcome to the presentation by our group called the IT Nerds. So in our group we have myself Nikita and my fellow team members Saurabh and Yogesh. Our following presentation will be about the technological impacts on supply chain management. Our agenda for our presentation is to firstly cover the literature review, research objective and methods. Then we will go on to the analysis, future work and conclusion. Ongoing research is aiming to design streams to meet high consumer demands for the growing populations in each country. In addition, the advancement in artificial intelligence and machine learning techniques in recent years and their adoption has proved to be enormously valuable. Our main goal focuses on examining the gaps in research where technologies in transportation, distribution, sales, and inventory management of the supply chain can interlink with another to enhance the whole of the supply chain management process and improve sales for businesses or companies. Now I'm going to elaborate on the literature review aspect of the research based on supply chain management. As seen from the figure in the slide, supply chain management manages the goods like raw materials. In this process, multiple entities like suppliers, manufacturers, logistics, retailers, and customers are working together to manage the business process. In the workflow for the product business, the manufacturers manufacture the products, and the suppliers supply the raw materials required for the manufacturing. Now I will be talking about the manufacturing sector. So the manufacturing sector of supply chain management is responsible for transforming raw materials into finished products on a larger scale, according to the demands for sales using human labor, tools, machines, or biological and chemical processing. Over the years, the application of artificial intelligence and machine learning has evolved the manufacturing sector and transformed it from virtual assistants to advanced robotics. Various artificial intelligence techniques can handle high-dimensional problems, but the most efficient is SVM, which stands for Support Vector Machine. One of the significant areas of its application in the manufacturing sector is monitoring tool and monitoring the machine condition, as well as the tool wear and fault diagnosis. Inventory management makes one of the most significant contributions in maintaining or checking the demand and supply of the supply chain management. With the help of artificial intelligence, supply chain management can streamline the logistic chains as it helps to balance both the demand and supply. An application is seen through backpropagation network, which is most widely used in classification technique to train an artificial neural network. It uses feed-forward architecture and supervised learning methods to perform complex functions such as classification, prediction, and pattern recognition. The architectural design of BPN consists of nodes that are fully connected rows of processing units with 3 layers of neurons, including the input layer, output layer, and hidden layer. So transportation and distribution sectors are intertwined through supplies and good transfers to the leading wholesaler for the respective product. Autonomous vehicles are currently using convolutional neural networks and object detection techniques, which is revolutionary. Lacking in the transportation sector is the linkage of benefits for the supply chain management sector and how machine learning or more aspects of computer vision enhance the supply chain management process. On the other hand, the application of CNN is traditionally used in modern intelligent transportation systems, including traffic light recognition and pedestrian recognition on busy roads. One of the crucial requirements in supply chain planning is demand forecasting, and forecasting will significantly impact the supply chain only when the accuracy of the forecasting report is high. For example, many types of research are conducted on forecasting by using the different artificial neural network models, mainly in sales forecasting. Because these models can adopt the uncertainties that play the predominant role in the sales forecasting factors, one research is about short-term goods sales forecasting. This requires machine learning techniques to make the prediction. The forecast is created by individual businesses based on the market and using the information about the market that is known as enriched or final forecasts. Now my fellow team member Yogesh will talk about the research design and methodology.
Hi everyone, this is Yogesh Babu. Let's talk about the research objective of our project. The research objective is to conduct the comprehensive research on impact of artificial intelligence technologies used in the 4 primary sectors of supply chain management. Based on the research objective and literature review, we come up with three research questions for our project. The first one is what are all the machine learning techniques used in the supply chain management? And next one is what is the impact in supply chain management because of the usage of artificial intelligence? The third one is the compare the multiple machine learning techniques used in each sector of supply chain management. For this research project, our research methodology is qualitative research. We choose the exploratory research design, which uses the secondary data and experiments for this project. Our main research is about the machine learning techniques which used in the supply chain management. Let's analyze the artificial intelligence technology used in supply chain management. The machine learning technique helps to reduces the current complexity of the supply chain process. Artificial intelligence technology helps in manufacturing department to increases their productivity. Also, most of the strategic decisions are taken based on the reports which has high accuracy because of machine learning techniques currently used. Let's analyze the artificial intelligence technology used in individual sectors of supply chain management. In manufacturing, artificial neural networks has greater than 95% efficiency when compared to other techniques such as logistic regression, random forest, and support vector machines (SVMs). When it comes to the inventory management sector, some of the main machine learning techniques are backpropagation networks, SVMs, and KNN algorithms. One of the research show that SVM is more efficient in inventory management when compared to the other algorithm models. Let's talk about the transportation distribution departments. The incorporation of convolution neural networks in intelligent transportation system provides the deeper image processing resolution for larger traffic networks. So this processing output is far better when compared to the previous traditional predictive models. Also, proper detection techniques from CNN has provided high accuracy in traffic prediction. Let's talk about the computer vision usage in transportation. So, the computer visions are highly used in advanced driver assistance systems with the combination of Internet of Things. So, this computer vision and IoT helps the next technology like uh, automated car and auto driver system helps to monitor the drivers and also reduces the traffic congestion by automating the driving systems. Let's talk about the machine learning techniques used in sales forecasting. There are multiple researches were done over the years by using the machine learning techniques because machine learning techniques helps the forecasting model to get high accuracy. Using this high accuracy report, many strategic divisions were taken by the management department. For example, one of the results shows that we can use the centroid value from clustering technique for k value in KNN algorithm. By using this, we can reduce the number of iterations to achieve the high accuracy for the k value. Also, another research shows that Bayesian classifier is better than KNN in both with and without using the AdaBoost technique. Also, most of the forecasting model needs to use the periodic data to get the seasonal changes. Because of this, time series techniques were used in forecasting models when compared to the regression models. Also, time series models provides far better accuracy when compared to the regression models.
Hello, my name is Saurabh Kumar and I would like to present about the impacts of artificial intelligence technique in supply chain management. More importantly, manufacturing, inventory management, transportation and distribution, and demand forecasting. As we know that the AI techniques has a tremendous impact on supply chain management and it has changed the overall operation of all the individual sectors which has helped the businesses to grow rapidly. In the manufacturing sector, there are limited AI techniques which are being used currently, but one of the significant technique, SVM, also known as support vector machine, is used for monitoring the condition of tools, machines, tool of wear, and also for fault diagnosis. Machine learning techniques helps in providing quality tools which could be used in large-scale manufacturing processes. Artificial intelligence automates a lot of tasks and assists in eliminating a lot of manual work during manufacturing processes, which helps in achieving increased production, reduction in cycle time, and also proper and improved resource utilization. In the inventory management sector, the demand forecasting using different machine learning techniques aids in streamlining the process of logistic chains and also balance both demand and supply. The accurate prediction based on customers' demands helps in maintaining the stocks of products and therefore delivering the products to the customer becomes faster. In the warehouse, AI-based robots can be used as a powerful asset to sort, move, and arrange items in the inventory. The computer vision and smart sensor advanced techniques can be used for detecting shortest path, obstacles, and label items with accuracy. Therefore, the AI techniques helps in minimizing the error and which is very common in manual work, and the accurate results can help the businesses to be profitable and grow continuously. The predictive modeling using machine learning techniques in transportation and distribution sectors such as forecasting traffic systems with intelligent transportation system and autonomous vehicle provides tools for this sector for their smooth operation. One of the technique known as convolutional neural network provides higher accuracy in predicting traffic or any faults such as anomalies in train freight transportation can be identified by the proposed CNN models. Although there are very limited techniques which are being used in the transportation and distribution sector, but all the proposed techniques has not been implemented fully and therefore AI has a huge potential in transportation sector. When it comes to demand forecasting sector, AI-inspired forecast models are extensively being used in creation of multiple strategies, and with the help of the predictive results of the models, it can forecast the sales and market tendency. This forecast can further help in coordination among different supply chain management sectors and allows the sectors to prepare themselves to accommodate the requirements of the forecast. But the impact of forecasting in supply chain will significantly determined by the degree of accuracy of the forecasting model. This allows businesses to make strategic decisions quickly, and as a result, it plays a major role in making the business profitable. Based on the gaps which we identified during our extensive research, we can surely say that there is still a huge scope of AI which needs to be improved and implemented in the supply chain management, such as there is a scope of computer vision in transportation sector to automate the process of transporting goods. The manufacturing sector still has a potential to adopt many techniques which should be further researched, and there is a scope on demand forecasting sector for reducing the computational cost. As a conclusion of our research, we can say that the improvements of AI techniques and its application in supply chain management is a continuous process. AI has tremendously changed the way the industry works, and its overall has a positive impact on each individual sectors, making every processes more efficient. As a result, AI techniques has proved to be a profitable for supply chain business. Thank you.